Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the mesh predictable. Apply scale and rotation so faces behave consistently. Once done, enter edit mode and select the vertices or edge loops that bound the region where you want the new face. Use merge at center for collapsed points or the knife tool to cut a clean outline. Grid fill works when you have a quad-like border. This first step sets clean topology and prevents non-manifold results, so you avoid problems later when filling and smoothing. Now you build the actual face and refine it. Press F to fill simple holes, but for more complex openings, use bridge edge loops or grid fill to create evenly spaced quads. Move vertices manually or use proportional edit to get smooth curvature. Snapping can help align to reference geometry. Convert triangles to quads where possible because quads deform predictably in subdivision. Once you have quad-based topology, add edge loops to control sharpness and prepare the face for shading and deformation during animation. Finish by ensuring correct shading and robustness. Recalculate normals so the face faces outward, remove doubles to eliminate overlapping vertices, and apply shade smooth combined with auto smooth or edge crease to keep crisp edges. Once done, test subdivision and pose the mesh if rigged to confirm deform behavior. If you see pinching or artifacts, isolate the problematic face and rebuild its topology, or use a carefully cleaned Boolean to reconstruct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.